So a few recipes to use our products in. This one, almond butter ghee with cacao goji berry sweetened with raw unfiltered honey. This one's good inside coffee, with berries, with any breakfast item, inside croissant, inside crepes, on top of bagel, on top of waffles, pancakes. This one is great. We have this one, pistachio butter with ghee, cardamom rosemary. This one also sweetened with raw unfiltered honey. This one's good with matcha tea, with brie cheese, with flatbread and feta cheese, on top of oatmeal, and with green apple also is very good. And last one, this one is my vegan one, sunflower cinnamon with ginger turmeric. This one's sweetened with 100% maple syrup. And instead of ghee, the healthy fat is coconut oil. This one is good with crackers, with bananas, with oatmeal, inside smoothies. So all of them have lots of applications. And if you come up with new recipes, let me know.